Welcome back, guys. Todd Huey here from Lone Star Boars and Huey Outdoors. In this video, we're going to be recording through the PVS-14 again. I'm using the LPMR-14 video recording device to film this. This is a prototype version, but the real deal will be available at hueyoutdoors.com end of September. The USB cable runs to that battery pack there, and then here's the camera. It attaches to the back of the PVS-14 and records directly through your device at 1080p. You can see the recorder a little bit when you're wearing it, but when you wear the PVS-14 properly, it virtually disappears, especially with dual tubes. For the ammo, I'm going to be shooting 45 ACP 230 grain ball full metal jacket, Ammo Inc. Streak non-incendiary tracers. I'll be using the FNX 45 Tactical with a Trijicon RMR that is night vision compatible, and the Streamlight X300V, which does a white light and IR light. This will be IR light. For the suppressor, it's the Rugged Obsidian from Silencer Shop. I will say one thing: the IR light, the flashlight, it overpowers the camera. In real life, it does not do that. It has a real clean image. For some reason, it's going to overpower the camera. Now here we're driving along and we're fixing to spot the boar here on the side of the road. I'll let it go to the tape.
I see a black spot, but it hadn't moved. It looks like one, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's one. Yeah, let me. I want to try to get him with the subsonic if he doesn't bust us. Hell, I might go get him with the pistol.
Yeah.
Oh. Big son there.